Alright, hey, this is Vishal Sarkar, author of the book I Love Public Speaking, How to Communicate with Excellence, and this video will teach you one thing that you can do right now in order to take your presentation skills to the next level. And the tip today is that be ready for the unexpected. That's right, be ready for the unexpected. Here is what I mean by that. A lot of times I see that presenters prepare a lot and they have their PPT ready. So if there is a technical issue, for example, a power cut, the power goes off, and then the presenter is like, oh my God, what can I do now? And this presenter fails because they were not ready for the unexpected. So here is what I suggest to you, and this is one thing that I teach my clients who come to me for coaching, okay? And the tip is this: you need to have a PPT version of your presentation if you're doing a presentation in a PPT. At the same time, learn to go acoustic. Learn to go acoustic. For example, if I'm giving a presentation on leadership, what will happen if 50% down the line the PPT goes off? What will I say in that moment? Will I be dependent still on the PPT? If I am, I'll fail. So prepare yourself for the unexpected. Sometimes the technology will go off. You need to have a backup plan. Maybe you can have some handouts instead of the PPTs that you can now see and talk to people about it, right? That's what you need to do. So again, be ready for the unexpected, because the unexpected will happen. My name is Vishal Sarkar, always reminding you that public speaking is not about perfection. It's all about connection. Take care.